never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow.
Yeah.
Hey stars, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be giving you guys life updates about what has been going on in uni. I've been doing dissertation, doing some writings up and down. Oh my god, the last 2 weeks has been very hectic for me. You see this position, that's the position I've been in the last how many, writing, taking out papers, doing this, doing that. You know, it has been so hectic. And so, well, with dissertation and everything, I don't have too much time to cook. And of course, I always bounce back to snacks. I love to snack a lot. And then Snack Surprise decided to surprise me, decided to give me a snack. I have a box to unbox today. I have a box to unbox. See that right? Yes. And the box is Snack Surprise. A surprise by Snack Surprise. So let's go on to unbox our gifts by Snack Surprise. Yeah. So basically, Snack Surprise, what they do is that they send you snacks from different countries. So they help you to go on adventure to different countries. So they give you an opportunity to try on snacks from different countries. And to me, that's very adventurous. So I don't know the country where the snack is coming from today yet. I don't know. But let me take a guess. Let me look at the body and take a guess. Let me see if I can take a guess. Snack Surprise. Don't eat it all straight away. Okay, delivering tasty snacks from around the world. So they deliver a new country every month. So every month they send you a new snack from every country. So you have the opportunity to try out snacks from different countries. You know, I'm coming from Nigeria. The kind of snacks we have in Nigeria is quite different from the kind of snacks they will have in the UK. And the kind of snacks they will have in the UK will be different from the kind of snacks they will have in maybe Kenya, Spain, Tanzania, US. So they give you an opportunity to try out snacks. For me, that's adventure and I love it and I love it. So let me take a guess of the country this will be coming from. Let's say Italy. Let me say Italy and see. Okay, I'm seeing bonjour on it. So let me try and guess. Let me say France. Okay, let's see if my guess is correct because I saw bonjour on it. So let's guess if my guess is correct. Let's try and see. Let's try. I don't know if I'm doing it the right way. This is how to open it. Am I scattering everything? I've scattered everything. Yeah, my guess is so wrong. So the snack is from Bulgaria. So I'm going to be trying on snacks from Bulgaria. Facts about Bulgaria. So Bulgaria is one of the oldest countries in Europe. It's also the only one that hasn't changed its name since it was established in 681 AD. Its capital, Sofia, was founded 7,000 years ago and is the oldest capital in Europe. Wow. The first computer in the world was founded by a Bulgarian. Okay? Bulgarians shake their head for yes rather than no. Oh. Okay, no, like this. Okay, for yes rather than no. Okay, it will probably take some time to get used to that. A Bulgarian salad won the best dish in Europe. Rakia is Bulgaria's national drink. Every year on the 1st of March, Bulgarians celebrate a unique holiday known as Baba Mata. So there are various facts about Bulgaria here. Bulgarian make a home recipe. Wow, so any day I want to try on new food, I can just go buy the Bulgarian recipe and try it on at home. So this is what I have inside. I have this snack. This is what I have inside. So these are the snacks that I have, and I have a drink. Okay, and I have this also, and this also, and wow, different snacks. Pobel. This will be an adventurous ride. Brownie. Okay, so these are the snacks that we have. Let's try one of the snacks. This is bao hampu kata. Yeah. If these Bulgarian people hear how I'm calling the names of this, it will be so funny. Bao pam pom pata. So, ooh, let's see. Wow, this is nice. This is a bit familiar. Let me try something unfamiliar and see. So this is milky soft cake. This is what we have. Let's see. This is very unfamiliar, so let me see how it's gonna taste. Definitely, I love snacks. Snacks will never go wrong. Very nice and sweet. I love it. So tasty and delicious. So I'm going to try on the drink and see if it's familiar. Yay! I've spilled my drink. Oh, I have spilled my drink. Be calming down. Okay, so let's try the drink and see. Definitely something I like. I like it. Thank you, Snack Surprise. So guys, if you want to go on this adventure with me, please check the link in the description and you can place your order through me to Snack Surprise. And Snack Surprise will send you snacks every month. They will send you according to your subscription. They are going to be sending you snacks every month, so you can go on this adventure across the world. Oh yes, so we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you did watch this video to this point, please give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe. Please also make sure you patronize Snack Surprise, and I will see you again in our next video. Goodbye.